Now just a few examples of some ways to help you out along the way and make it a little bit easier at times.
So for instance, in the first one here, if you need to lift them a little bit. So with some clients, you'll find that their lashes sit really, really flat to the Eyepads. It's all just different people and shapes of their eyes and yeah, different things. Some people, they sit really up high and they're really easy to lash. Sometimes you'll get in there and as I said, they're sitting super flat. So you're trying to come in with an eyelash and the glue's getting stuck to their lash and the Eyepad and you just feel like you need to elevate it that bit. That is where we put the tape coming straight back over the brow and we gently pull the eye up a little bit just to get a tiny bit of lift. The only thing you need to be careful with doing this type of elevation in the eyelid is that it's not open where you're going to get glue fumes in the eye. So if you do this, keep checking with your client throughout that their eyes aren't stinging at all, but also just double check that you haven't actually got their eye sitting sort of open. You know, it's only a very millimeter or two of lift that you want to get there. Now, if the lashes are more bunched together, again, some people have really straight lashes, easy, no problems. Some people have their eyelashes are like bushes and they're all over each other. They're just going all different directions. With these people, you're going to want to get a bit of a spread. So as you pull the eye outways, you will see the lashes start to spread, which we show you in a little video after this. This is also how we get into the very inner corners. If you have even just those inner corners where the lashes are all bunched up over each other, we just slightly use the tape to pull towards the outside and it actually fans out and spreads everything just enough so that you can isolate a lot easier and get one eyelash on its own. Now with removing any lashes that are in the way to access the bottom row of lashes, we use the tape to tape them back. I don't commonly do this a lot at all, but yeah, if there are someone with very, very thick eyelashes and you want to get to that underneath layer and you can't seem to do it with isolating, you can always use a bit of tape to drag those top ones back. But the issue with this, you just need to be super careful that you've taken some of the stick off the tape first and that when you do pull them back, you peel it off again really carefully. You don't want to pull out any eyelashes at all while you do it.
We'll show you now in a quick video. Here is an example of the lift, the first one we were telling you about, just showing you here with my finger. And this here is the spread. So as you can see, as I'm dragging the eyelid out slightly here, which is what you would do, you would then apply the tape to stick that down to stay there. You'll see those inner corner lashes, if you have a look there, they all fan out. So you can do that throughout the whole eyelid, but it's really, really great for those inner corners as well.